how to get your BullX access code. First up, head straight to the official BullX website. Look for the sign up or get access code button, usually at the top right. Fill in your details, hit submit, and boom, your code should arrive via email. Pro tip, check your spam folder. If it's not in your inbox, method to follow BullX on Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok. Turn on notifications so you never miss a giveaway or contest. They often drop codes in stories, live streams, or comment sections. Engage with their posts. Sometimes just liking or sharing can snag you a code. Last but not least, use the referral program. If you're already a BullX user, log in, go to referrals, and share your unique link. When someone signs up using it, you both get access codes. It's a win-win. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.